We are officially through the 50-day watercolor challenge, and I can't believe we painted all these 50 paintings together. Let's quickly have a flip through of all the paintings that we did through this 50-day challenge. We went ahead with different sizes, beginning in with minis, and we painted different scenes, different weather conditions. We went ahead with a little bigger sizes like these. We painted galaxies, winter wonderland, northern sky, seascapes, boat details, pastel skies, and everything possible that we tried to cover with different topics: beautiful autumn themed landscape, winter themed landscape, beachscapes, and most importantly, we went ahead with different sizes of paper, experimenting different ways, loose style or detailed style, going ahead with very loose kind of the florals, going ahead with detailed paintings, taking in all the time to put in the details, some loose bold sky, simple studies. Plus, we went ahead with some really detailed paintings, putting in so much of the texture, playing in with the flow of water, doing in monochrome paintings, and so much more through this 50-day challenge. And you see, we went ahead with different sizes, different ways, landscape, portrait, building in all the details into each of the painting, creating in depth and the liveliness of each of the paintings. You see, we went ahead with detailed paintings, loose paintings. We also painted a few on the sketchbook, so let's quickly have a flip through of those as well. And you see how beautiful the sketchbook flat lays look, with the simple paintings that we went ahead for the 50-day watercolor challenge, again painting in monochrome painting, misty backgrounds, the northern lights. I hope you guys enjoyed painting each of these with me through the 50-day challenge, and thank you so much once again to each one of you for joining me into this class, painting each of these with me. I am forever grateful for each of the reviews and the class projects that you've uploaded through this class. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you guys soon into my next Skillshare class. Till then, keep painting.